how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to a DeFi wallet. So before we begin, you first have to make sure you have a DeFi wallet set up and ready to receive funds. So simply make sure to download the DeFi wallet app if you're doing this on your phone and identify the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. So once everything is ready, you will then have to open the crypto.com app on your phone, then locate the wallet section in your app. So this might be represented by an icon or a menu option. And after that, simply select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, and on the crypto page, you will then have to look for the transfer option. And once you've navigated to the transfer menu, you then have to select withdraw, so this will then allow you to send your funds to an external wallet. And here's where you then have to head over to your DeFi wallet. So simply go to your chosen DeFi wallet, for example, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or any other wallet. Then copy the wallet address for the crypto you want to receive and paste it onto crypto.com. And finally, after pasting the wallet address on crypto.com, you also have to enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. So that's simply how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to a DeFi wallet. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, then consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.